That treacherous dog! How could he do this to me? We need to reach Tori Tanaka, my only true friend here. I know where to find him.
Sato-sama! My God! Hurry! Come in! You were right to come here. This place is safe. For now. You see this tattoo? It is the mark of the Yakuza. Mr. Sato may be the chairman of several companies, but more importantly, he is the leader of the powerful Yakuza clan called the Sato Gumi. But he is no bloodthirsty drug lord or arms dealer. Sato is honorable and has shifted most of the family's assets into legal companies. I respect this man, and I love his daughter as if she were my own. I don't know who tried to kill him this time, but if they are bold enough to strike at the head of the clan and kidnap his daughter, it is war. There's not much I can do to free her. For my part, I am no gangster, but I occasionally learn some useful information. For one thing, I know that this traitor, Ryuichi, has a mistress here in Los Angeles. Her name is Angel, and she owns a massage parlor. Find her. She might know where he is. A place is named Angel's Heaven, but I expect you'll give her a little taste of hell.
Miss Angel is extremely busy, sir, but let me see what I can do. もしもし、変な人がいるわ。そうね、急ぎましょう。Good news, sir. She'll see you shortly. If you want to sit down, I will call you as soon as she's available. Unless you'd rather try a massage first. You do look a bit tense.
You'll regret coming here, freak!
Don't kill me!
Die!